right here, you see the supply, the demand zone right here, right? On this 1 minute. And you see the break of the candle to the upside is here, right? And it's also here. Come on, come on, come on. It's right here. And if we look straight to the left, right, you would see that if you look way to the left, both of these levels right here, this level and this level, is located right here by this 148 and 131. So we have a bullish demand zone. We have positive delta, right? And then you have the break of the candle to the upside, or as others would call it, the potential bullish engulfing candle to the upside, breaking to the upside into this negative delta. So what we could see is a potential shift from negative delta at these same levels to positive delta because of the pattern, because of the positive delta at the point of control level. We could just start to see, you could potentially see these same levels right here, 131 and 118, negative delta. You could see those completely switch over to positive delta. Why? Because at these same break of the candle levels, there is that's a potential breakout level for buyers to get in. And so now you see the negative delta start decreasing, 82, 126, 113, and you see it's just pushing up. See, it's pushing up. What did I say? You see it now saying 94, it's saying 78, and that is how you look. That is just, hey, textbook, bro. I'm look at it dropping. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. 94, 43, and then you see to the upside above these two levels. What do you see? You see 104. You see 114. You see more positive delta. And so once price get pushed past these, and these can turn over completely positive, the positive delta, you're gonna see less friction as to the upside, But you can see the negative delta increasing again. This isn't saying that, I'm not saying that that's what's going to happen, but I'm saying that that's something you need to look for. That's some influence that you need to add into your trade. We're seeing a little bit of resistance coming here. A lot of sellers started stepping in. It bounced up to 210, 142. That's a lot of negative delta. That's coming very close to this 362, this 334, 344 level. You know what I'm saying? So now what you see is that reversal to the break of the candle to the downside. Because now buyers and sellers are now competing. But during that whole stint right there that pushed up, what I was preaching and pointing out, as you've seen it happen. You're seeing that negative delta decrease by so much, so drastically, that it was a catalyst as to this point, this price pushing up. You know what I'm saying? And so I'm just gonna see what happens more and more. You can see price did push past, price is pushing into this positive delta level right here. It's pushing up, pushing into that positive delta level. Like, come on, man. Come on, bro. I can't make this shit up. I'm watching the orders. I'm watching the orders. I'm watching the order flow. I'm watching I'm watching the volume. I'm watching the liquidity. I'm watching the volume. I'm watching the volatility, and I'm watching price action. And what is happening? Exactly what I said. We were down here. You feel me? We were down here when I called this off. And yeah, I'm calling off not just all prices gonna tap into zone, type of price is gonna move up, blah blah blah, rada, No, I'm telling you what could most likely happen on the volume profile. And what you saw is what happened. You saw the negative delta start to decrease. Why? Breakout bullish traders, buyers loading up on positions right here. And this is a low volatility time. This is Sunday, February 16th, 8:06 p.m. 8:06 at night. Ain't nobody really in the market. We got probably algos of people on the other side of the earth. You know what I'm saying? So, to ride this trade now, you're in this area of positive delta around here. You want to see these numbers drastically increase so that you can get that confidence that price is going to push and expand aggressively to the upside. Yeah, but you just have less liquidity down there. You gotta anticipate, not really anticipate, but really react to what's going on up here because there's less liquidity up here. So once you see these numbers start getting into that 200 and that 300, then it's looking good. But these levels right here, this 848, this 346, and the 630 level, these like they were just so much more massive positive delta. There were more buyers in this value area than these sellers right here. And you just look at now, you're seeing price push up. Seeing price push up. Price is now way away from this 148. Price is now way away from this 148.74 level. That's low. That's very, very low negative delta. And you can see the positive delta pushing up. See it increasing. See it increasing. And you see an expansion to the upside. At this point, I probably would have gotten out of the trade. It would have been a nice. Because it's the value area high of the day now, I probably would have been getting out of this trade. And if we did take that break of the candle to the upside, this probably would have been like, let's see, a nice 1.47, target. It wouldn't have been precisely 1.47, because But what matters is that it would have been a win. And trading like this and combining, these hyperbolic patterns along with reading the data on the volume profile and coupling that with just what's happening price action wise, definitely has the potential to boost the win rate more so than the I mean, of course, not even, I wouldn't say more so, equal or more, equal or less than the risk to reward. So yeah, that's all I got for today. That's really all I got for today. I just was just using this Sunday to just like kind of watch order flow and just kind of watch the point of control, watch my hyperbolic patterns and see what play out in this daily profile. And it looked real good. It looked real good. So now you just kind of use all these confluences and contacts with one another, and it just really helps to like build like that conviction in the trade. Like this, a trade like this was, I was really convicted in, watching price come back to the point of control, demand zone, price pushing up, breaking a candle. Since you had the potential bullish break of the candle above these two levels right here where you see the line was. And I just know that, okay, there's buyers down here that clearly has control of these value areas, of these 4 value areas right here, or at least 3 value areas right here. That means that they're going to need liquidity. They're going to need more liquidity for price to continue pushing up. So and then this break of the candle high being a breakout level for market orders to enter. Traders are going to start more longs are going to start entering at this level right here. That's cause for the negative delta on this to start decreasing. And as you see in here, you can see the positive delta just keep going higher and higher, kind of dipping a lot. I wouldn't get noted this trade because you could see like friction right here or whatever. I'm just kind of dropping and going, low liquidity levels. Nobody really had control of this level, and so like, yeah, the market's gonna like try and find like the controller of this level because these were very low liquidity levels. Anybody could take advantage of these, you know what I mean? And this is usually where the high spikes and high spikes up and down happen, as you can, or the kind of the consolidation. But like, yeah, I just love. I want to end the video, but I can ramble on all day. But yeah, I think I touched on the points and made them quite simple. And these are just kind of the concepts that I'm going to be using in my trading. Well, catch you all in the next one, man. It was a good video today. Hope you all take something from this and able to apply it to your trading strategies and systems. Alright, take it easy, ladies and gents.